Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm so happy you're here. Today we're going to paint a peaceful lakeside landscape featuring a calm blue lake, distant mountains, lush green grasses, and a small wooden boat resting quietly along the shore. This painting is all about creating a sense of tranquility with soft colors, gentle reflections, and simple acrylic techniques. So let's get started. I begin by covering the upper part of the canvas with a bright sky blue. As I work downward, I gradually lighten the color to create a smooth, natural gradient in the sky. Using the same color palette, I paint the lake below, allowing the sky to reflect beautifully on the calm water. Next, I mix blue, white, black, and just a touch of yellow to create a muted blue-gray tone for the distant mountains across the lake. I keep the shapes soft and simple since they're far away, then gently add a faint reflection of those mountains into the water to strengthen the peaceful atmosphere. Now it's time to paint a few small, fluffy clouds floating above the mountains. Keeping them light and soft helps maintain the feeling of distance. I add a little more yellow and white to my mountain color and begin highlighting the sunlit ridges. These highlights are blended gently into the darker base, so the mountains appear smooth and natural. To give the landscape more depth, I emphasize the ridges and slopes with soft highlights while preserving the darker valleys. The mountains that are closer to us receive stronger contrast and slightly brighter highlights, making them stand out from the distant layers. Once I'm happy with the mountains, I complete their reflections in the lake, carefully adding the brighter highlighted areas into the water as well. Reflections should always be softer than the objects themselves. Next, I mix yellow, red, a touch of black and white to create a warm cream color. With this mixture, I highlight the rocky edges and lighter areas along the shoreline of the mountains. I also paint subtle reflections of a few clouds on the surface of the lake, adding even more realism to the calm water. Now I mix yellow, blue, and a small amount of red to create a rich, dark green. Using this color, I blocked in the grassy banks on both sides of the lake. I darken the mixture slightly to paint the base of the large bush growing on one side of the composition. With the darker foundation complete, I begin adding bright highlights to the grasses. Using a fresh, vibrant grassy green, I applied gentle horizontal brushstrokes across the surface to suggest sunlight catching the tops of the grass. Switching to a liner brush, I carefully paint individual blades of grass, making the edges appear crisp and natural. Using the same brush, I also create the reflections in the water. I repeat this process on the opposite bank, making sure both sides feel balanced while still looking organic. To clearly separate the shoreline from its reflection, I paint a thin blue line between the grasses and the mirrored image in the water. This small detail helps make the lake look crystal clear and incredibly calm. Now I return to the large bush in the foreground. One by one, I paint the tall reeds rising from it. The upper and middle sections receive bright highlights where the sunlight hits them directly, while the lower portions gradually become darker with cooler blue-green tones to suggest shadow and depth. With the foreground foliage finished, it's time to paint the small wooden boat. I first sketch its overall shape, making sure the perspective looks correct. Then, using a smaller brush, I refine the edges and gradually build the form with lighter highlights. Layer by layer, the boat begins to take on a realistic three-dimensional appearance. Of course, I don't forget its reflection in the water. A clean reflection is essential for conveying the stillness and clarity of the lake. I carefully mirror the boat beneath it, keeping the reflection slightly softer than the original. Finally, I paint the remaining details, including the wooden seats inside the boat, subtle edge highlights, and the finishing touches that bring the whole composition to life. Throughout the stage, I pay close attention to perspective, contrast, and lighting to create a believable sense of depth. With the last highlights in place, this peaceful lakeside painting is complete. I truly hope you enjoyed painting along with me and found this tutorial relaxing and inspiring. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. Where in the world are you watching from? Let me know in the comments below. I always enjoy seeing where my viewers are joining from. Thank you so much for watching and for your continued support. Until next time, happy painting, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.